everyone. So guys, how was your Christmas? Mine was not brilliant, guys, because I actually succumbed to the bug that was going around. I know it was like I was unwell and then got better for a little while and then became unwell again. So I must apologize for the lack of videos for the last week, but it couldn't be helped. I want to say thank you to these two lovely ladies. Actually, it's three lovely ladies, because this first card is from the lovely Crafty Seas. Absolutely gorgeous Christmas card, and they're just wishing me lots of luck and laughter from the Crafty Seas, Ashley and Maureen. So thank you so much. And I did receive them before Christmas, but as I said, I've just been so unwell that this is the first time I've sat at my craft table in, I don't know, it's been a week now, over a week, because today is Wednesday, isn't it? So, and then I've also got this card from the lovely Mel, and she's stamped. Is this stamped, or is this a I'm not sure if this is stamped or a ephemera piece, and she's just wishing me a prosperous new year and a happy Christmas. And she and she's included this lovely 2023 calendar and also this little pack with a little message. It's so sweet. Thank you, Mel. I did receive it before Christmas, but as I said, I've just really been really poorly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add on to this the last video that I actually recorded, because we were opening up our Christmas Advent from the lovely MJ. So I will continue doing that and sharing it with you, and then we'll crack on with our makes coming up. So I do wish you all had a very happy Christmas, and I'll see you in the next videos as always. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. Okay, everyone, and we're continuing with the 24-day Advent swap I did with MJ from Crafty Little Things. Big thank you to MJ. If you haven't already seen days 1 to 5, I will link them down below. She sent some super cute and awesome presents already that I've opened in that video, so you can watch that if you haven't already watched it. And today we're going to be doing the next 5 days. So we have 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we're going to get right in, and we're going to open day number 6. And it's pink and sparkly. Oh wow, there's lots to go through in this package. Oh my gosh, super cute. We have this 5-pack of washi in the silver and the white. We have this cute little star shakers with the pink sequins. We have this super cute winter wishes little paper pad, and we'll go through that. This, it doesn't say how many, 24 sheets. It's got 8 designs. Gives you a little sneak peek of the designs there. So cute in my colours, so up my street. And it's got some beautiful little illustrations with birds, Christmas ornaments, Christmas fairy. We've got snowflakes, and we have a polar bear with some Christmas trees on the pink, and some beautiful doves on the blue, and some more Christmas snowflakes. We've had lots of snowflakes recently. And we've started off with the check. So that is a beautiful little paper pad. Make and create winter wishes 6x6 paper pad. Super cute, super cute. Then we have this little we have some storage. So these are makeup bags, but these are super cute for your craft room to store your bits and pieces in. I have some that store my Nuvo drops in it, so these are going to come in super useful. And I love the pink and the sparkly design. And then we have some cute little snowmen and reindeer and Christmas puds and Christmas trees. I'd like to make some shakers with these on. Yeah, or maybe some gift boxes with some lovely Christmas puds and Christmas trees. Absolutely love it. A bit of bling, bit of sparkle as well. So cute. There we go. So that was day number 6. Let's get into it. Day number 7 have, oh, I think there might be some Christmas tags. So day number 7, oh, something different. We have a large unicorn from Crafter's Companion. Can you see it there? Got glare on it, isn't it? Sorry about the glare again. I'm videoing in the evening. Well, evening. It gets dark around 4 o'clock or just before 4 now, doesn't it? So lovely large unicorn. Believe in magic. Being fabulous is my superpower. What's yours? And it says, be a unicorn in a field full of horses. Just reminds me of my little one when she was younger. Well, she's not little anymore. She's a teenager. But she used to say, if you want to be a unicorn, be a unicorn. If you want to have a magic show, have a magic show. And she was about 5. So that was her way of saying, you know, have what you want to have. Do what you want to do. So it's just super cute. And she'd made me, I think these are, well, actually, I thought they were tags, but they actually can be used for anything. They're a bit more like ephemera, could be used on cards and things. So that's super cute. She's done some lovely packaging with the die cut pieces here. And then she's gifted me this little IKEA album, but we could obviously jazz it up and do some little bits with it. So that's super cute as well. Thank you, MJ. That is day number 7. 8. I'm actually well for Christmas because, you know, you don't want to be ill over Christmas and on Christmas Day. Yeah. Ooh! Look at this, guys. Look at this. Does this come as a trim? Can you buy this as a trim? So it's in this little glittery pencil case. We've got this beautiful trim that was being put on the top of it. And then inside, we've got lots of little bits and pieces. I really like this. Oh, I'm going to put this in my travel craft kit. Like when I'm traveling, when we go away and I'll take some craft bits. This will make me smile. So thank you for that, MJ. Love the tassels. And then she's packaged in here. Oh, look at these. So she's gifted me these cherry blossom do craft stamps. We've got this I would say Japanese or Chinese theme, Oriental theme, cherry blossom. I've got parasol and the lanterns. We have, is it a stork? It's their very common bird, isn't it? I think, is it a stork or a wren? Not sure. Let me know down below. I believe these are cherry blossom flowers. Very cute. And then we've also got some 3D stickers, so to go with the set. So we've got these cherry blossom brads. That was a tongue twister, in lots of different colours. Fabulous. And it goes with the set. And then we've been gifted some tassel trim. Is that what it's called? Very nice, silky in the cream. So we need to think of something. It goes very well with this set as well. So think of something I like put together with that. So thank you, MJ. That was so kind of you. I don't have anything like that in my craft room. Actually, I haven't had anything that I've opened so far. So that's what's been really fun about it, because somebody else is choosing your crafty bits for you to have a play about. Makes it a little bit more exciting, I think. So we are on day number 9, and it is in this beautiful butterfly but sparkly, or it does have a metallic sheen gift box. So I open it up so you're not getting the glare. And it is packed with some super cute, oh, is this some crochet hairbands? So MJ does lots of crochet bits. She's really good at crocheting She does hair bands, yeah. Oh, it's really lovely and furry, if you could feel it. And so she's done 3 of those. My girls are going to be saying, oh, can I have that, Mum? Can I have that? It feels super soft. Thank you for those, MJ. And then we have a large key. Super large key. Think what we can do with that. And then we have a jar full of beads. These are pearl beads. And they have quite a large hole actually. So those are going to come in really useful. Absolutely full. And then we have some crafting sequins. We've got some hats, snowflakes and Christmas tree. Oh, we have a dream catcher here in the pink. Sorry guys, still coughing. Oh, these are, oh, did you make these, MJ? These are some earrings. I don't know if they're made with like polymer clay, but in some really cute pastel colours. Well, we've got some cute colours with the green, yellow and pink. Those are cute. Yeah, oh, I like to give those a go, give those a wear. We've got some fuzzy felt butterflies. We've got some glitter. And a little, oh, this one's spilt out, but I'm thinking it was this little pot of, if you can see there in the corner, these red little, are they sea beads? I think that's what it is. But we'll pop those back in afterwards. And we've got some purple glitter in there. So that was a beautiful little box of goodies. Let's put them all back in. So where are we up to, guys? Are we on day number 9? Day number 9. Full of, oh, no, that wasn't in there. Of all these lovely goodies. So thank you again, MJ, for those. And oh, have a little package, a little box, and we have a Christmas card die. Super cute, and it's a really good size. I think it is about, I would say 5 inches, maybe 6 inches, maybe 7. Yeah, pretty, it's a large die. So thank you for that, MJ. And then we have this little box. Oh, it's a shaker box, and it's full of beads. Not beads, Cheryl. Oh, so it slides out, so it's really good. She's made that herself. And then it's full, this little container of buttons, not beads, and lovely with matching colours that go with the packaging, with the lovely penguins. I like penguins, and the stars, and these cute see-through ones with the flowers. And then we have the red, blue and green. So that is super exciting. So many different bits, guys, to craft with. So that was day number 10. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to click the subscribe button if you have not already done so. And don't forget to press the notification bell so you can be alerted to some more videos from myself. So guys, I thank you for watching again. Enjoy your Christmas holidays, because I'm sure everyone's probably either have already off on their Christmas holidays, or maybe you're gonna have some days coming up. But just relax, enjoy yourself, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.